Let's find out which snakes kill the most humans, and the last one is the deadliest of them all. Number 7, King Cobra. This snake kills 500 people every year. Number 6, Black Mamba. It kills 1,000 people every year. Number 5, Puff Adder. This one kills 5,000 people a year. Number 4, Common Krait. This snake sends 10,000 people to the afterlife annually. Number 3, Indian Cobra. It finishes off 15,000 people a year. Number 2, Russell's Viper. This one takes 25,000 lives annually. Number 1, Saw-Scaled Viper. It finishes off 50,000 people a year.